we're at the 29th. We have 3 more to go. Yay. V. V is in Latin, we write it like this, but it's like in English. V as in the West Valley. So in Uyghur alphabet is written like this. V. V. Can you see it? Okay. V. And look like this, and there's 3 dots. Again, it has only 2 forms. Yay. So the front connecting form and back connecting form and alone form of V. For the examples for front connecting, karbat. Karbat as karbat is bad. Sorry, karbat is bad. Like convert. Convert is also it means convert. Convert means I think it's there from Russian. I guess it sounds, yeah. Convert is oh my god, my English is dead. Simple in English, but in Chinese I don't want to force myself. Convert means envelope. Yes, envelope. Okay, so a long form V. Sometimes I speak when I get tired, like my brain just can't shift back to English, or just it likes to shift to Chinese sometimes. Okay, so a long form V. There are a lot of examples. Boba, grandpa, or avu, that one. Avu. And what else? Like Vatan, homeland, country. Yeah, and that's it. It's easy. Okay, the 30s letter, which is similar to the long E as in English. Again, you have to listen carefully how I pronounce it, like e. And it has 4 different forms. There are 2 dots in a horizontal, like lineary way. Okay, the first one is the beginning, and oh no, it has 7 forms. Sorry guys.